got one idea. What he's using now? He's using napkin. What is there in his hand? Napkin. So now when he gets sneeze, he use napkin and say achoo. Isn't it? This is a good habit. We should always use napkin when we get achoo.